Morning, Father Arnel.
Good morning, Tina.
Ito po yung question po about how did you discover your vocation of becoming a priest? How old are you po?
Actually, since I was in college, I was already discerning, no? I've been contacting different congregations kung saan ba na babagay ang sarili ko. Marami akong kinontak, iba-ibang congregation, pero what really caught my attention is the life of a Carmelite, no? Especially with the inspiration of Saint Therese. Kaya throughout my journey in Carmel, Saint Therese talaga ang inspiration ko, no? Why I really wanted to become a Carmelite priest. So I entered Carmel at the age of 28, but matagal ako nag-brother. Kaya it took me some time and late na ako na-ordain, no? Tagal ako nag-brother noon. I became priest at 44. 44 years old na ako na naging pare. So, ganon. No?
Ito po yung second question. How long you've been priest?
So, I became a priest since 2016. So, this year I'll be 9 years as a priest.
Congratulations po. Tapos, ano po yung third question po, what advice would you give to those discerning religious or Carmelite life?
Siguro pinakamalaking advice ko, no, especially for young people who are discerning to become a Carmelite priest, to be more open and receptive to the inspiration of God. One should be a risk taker. No, hindi pwede na easy lang tayo, but we have to take it seriously. We have to be more courageous. No, we have to do everything, no? And if one really wanted to become a Carmelite priest, una-una, no, to be more and more prayerful, kasi in prayer doon natin makikita ang grasya, ang kalooban ng Diyos, kung saan tayo talaga tinatawag ng Diyos. So more than anything else, prayer and openness, napakahalaga in discernment.
Number 4 po, what is your role as a priest and how